Here we are. Here we are. I'm gonna be delicious. I'm gonna be really good too. And if we're not delicious, then we'll eat our shoes. Did I just promise that? Well, as you can see, I have KitKat Melon. And I have the new Coca-Cola Spiced. Let's do this. Man, this is all wrong. Adjusting mid-frame. Alright. Welcome back to End Media.
You are now
watching an End Media production.
Yeah. Let's begin with Coca-Cola Spiced. What the fuck? Raspberry spiced flavored cola. I wasn't ready for the raspberry part. I did not know it was raspberry. Holy shit. Okay, let's do this. I gotta say, it looks like normal Coca-Cola. Let's try it. What? Okay. I'm going to try my best to describe this because... So, it hits you like normal Coca-Cola right at the beginning. And then suddenly it switches to the fruity raspberry flavor. And then it kind of finishes off like a... Yeah. It kind of has a musty feel to it at the very end. That's strange. It's like it's good, right? Yeah, the aftertaste is weird though. Let's try the KitKat melons. They're minis. I bet it's green. Not green. Why would it be green? That would be like watermelon. This is melon, so I'm gonna assume. Look, it's cantaloupe on here. It's cantaloupe flavored. Ooh. Mm. Mm. What is going on here with these flavors? Okay. This one. This right here is so yeah, it's melon, but I feel like it doesn't know what kind of melon it wants to be, like cantaloupe or honeydew. Bro, there are some crazy flavors going on here. Let's try something. No. That was wrong. You need to bite into it and then dip it in so the wafer can soak up the flavor. Now let's try it. It's strange. I'll give you that. There's like a biscuit flavored one. I don't know what that is. That one's definitely matcha. And that's original, I guess. The last ingredient is paprika. Probably for color, right? Okay. So rate them. Well, the KitKat... I'm doing this backwards. Coca-Cola Spiced. Coca-Cola Spiced. Excuse me. I'm going to give Coca-Cola Spiced a strong 12 out of 16 ampersands. I feel good about that score. It's a good product. If this is what they were going for, they nailed it. It's not disgusting. It's not overpowering. It's also like not like if you're like a everyday Coca-Cola drinker or even like a every other day Coca-Cola drinker. I don't know if you'd want to drink this every day. But it's not bad. It's good. It's good. The KitKat. I'm going to rate the KitKat. These get 14 out of 16 ampersands. They're really good. These are fucking amazing. Not my favorite. I think my favorite was the Japanese version of the apple pie. Not the American one. Because those are two different flavors. But these are high tier. A tier. For sure. Yeah. Very good. Very good indeed. I've enjoyed this exploration of new products. New to me, anyways. If you haven't already, give us a subscribe right here on YouTube. Follow us on TikTok before it gets banned? What? I hope it doesn't get banned. I fucking love TikTok. Follow me, Kevin Yarrow, on Facebook. Give us an email for suggestions, to say hi, or tell us to go fuck ourselves at endmediamail@gmail.com. I think the kitty's hungry. I should go feed her. Anyways, until next time. What are you doing? You can't do this! The people are watching the mukbang right now! God, you can't do this!
End Media Production.